Hey guys, it's Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group, and this is a special edition, let's call it the coronavirus edition of the Tustin Talks. I certainly do not want to make light of this virus because it's some very serious stuff, and I just want you to know that the industry has taken precautions to make buyers and sellers feel comfortable in this environment. And you will see some of those changes if you try to go to open houses, if you try to show up to the offices. A lot of people are isolating themselves right now, and despite that, the market, believe it or not, is still pretty good. So I'm going to share with you guys, there's basically 5 reasons that I can show you as to why this is not 2007. Number one, mortgage standards, they're just nothing like they were back then. I mean, during the housing bubble, it was not difficult to get a mortgage. You know, today it is tough to qualify. You can see that during the housing bubble, the index skyrocketed. Currently, the index to get a mortgage is even more difficult than it was before the bubble. So you can see there's no similarities there. Prices are not soaring out of control. That's the second point. Look at annual appreciation in these graphs. From 2000 to 2005, we were averaging almost 9% appreciation. We're closer to 6% the last few years. In addition to that, interest rates have dropped from 6.25 down to 3.25, giving people a lot more buying power than back in 2007. The other thing, number 3, we don't have a surplus of homes in the market. We actually have a shortage of homes in the market. Will that change? We will see, but nothing right now shows that, it's a buyer's market. I mean, the attitudes may have changed through all this and stuff, and we're going to see how that all plays out. But right now, it still seems like it's going pretty well. Housing, it just became too expensive to buy because the percent of median income needed to qualify for a home, it was just getting way too high. Today, it is much lower. So you can see the graph on that. The final point is people aren't tapped out on their equity like they were at the housing crisis. People are actually equity rich right now. People have a lot of equity in their home on average. People have the staying power to survive a downturn in prices. Don't be concerned that we're making the same mistakes that led to the last housing crash. That's not the environment of this market. So if you want to take a look at these charts and graphs, just hit pause. You can go backwards, study them. And if you have any other questions or anything we can do for you to make you feel more comfortable about what's going on in this market, let us know. We're not going to pull any punches. If things get worse, you're going to hear it right here, and I will certainly let you know. But as of right now, things are still heading in the right direction. People have a little bit more hesitancy maybe than they did a week or 2 ago, but people are still continuing their journey in the home buying process, and things are selling. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, and we will see you on next week's edition of the Tustin Talks.
The Odell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos, and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.